Hi, Anisha. Anisha, am I audible?
Yes, yes. Hi, Nayan. Monali, can you just turn on your camera?
Yes, one second.
Yeah, hi. Nayan, I've started the recording. You can continue the call.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, thanks.
Thank you. Hi, Monali. Good afternoon.
Hi, Nayan. Very good afternoon.
Monali, can you tell me something about yourself?
Okay, sure. So myself, Sheikh Monali. So I'm basically from Andhra Pradesh, India. So
Mm,
I'm having overall 5.4 years of experience in IT industry and relevant into this cloud and DevOps. I'm holding 4 years of experience. So previously I worked for Infosys, and before that I worked for Robotico Digital LLP and two other organizations as well as a DevOps engineer. So, in this 4 years of experience, I have worked on different DevOps tools like
mm-hmm.
version control system tools, Git, GitHub, Bitbucket, GitLab, build tool is a Maven, CI/CD tools I have used Jenkins, Argo CD, and GitHub Actions, and infrastructure provisioning tool I have used Terraform, and Ansible is a configuration management tool, and Docker and Kubernetes are the containerization tools I have used, and Prometheus, Grafana, ELK stack, and Cloudwatch. These are all the monitoring tools I have used, and also I have configured the Sonar Cube for checking the code quality for the application, which includes in the CI/CD. Okay, so coming to the cloud experience, I'm having a good experience with the AWS cloud and some part of GCP, Alibaba, and Azure as well. Coming to my day-to-day activities, like first of all, if there is any new project onboarded, so I will be designing and creating the infrastructure, and also performing the hosting or deployment of the application, creating and granting the GitHub repositories to the development team and QA team. So once the deployment everything will be completed, then I will be setting up the monitoring for application, like where I can get the system metrics as well as application metrics, all these things. So, and also I was supporting for existing projects also, like monitoring,
Mm-hmm.
and also if there is any build related issue, in case if build got failed, so I will be debugging and fixing that issue. And if any new joinee in my team, so I will be providing the KT session and all, and also checking the Jira tickets, and also checking my emails. If there is any important email which I need to respond, so I will be responding to client email and the management email as usually. And also, like this is simply about myself, Nayan.
Mm-hmm. Okay, okay. So, uh, as per your current experience, you have worked on AWS also. So, if there is an infra which you want to monitor for AWS, what will you use?
Okay, so we have to use we have multiple options where we can whether we can use a cloud manager services, which is AWS CloudWatch, or some open source tools also available, Prometheus, Grafana. So we will install this Prometheus and Grafana, and we will be configuring this node exporter accordingly,
Okay,
and we will be creating the dashboards and alerting.
okay, okay. Do you have any time used CloudWatch APIs to fetch the same and configured everything? on your own, or your team does it?
Yeah, I have used Cloudwatch most of the times for fetching the metrics, system metrics,
Mm-hmm.
CPU, memory, and disk utilization, and also uh, for RDS instances, database instances. I have configured the Cloudwatch to check the logs.
Okay, okay,
APIs also we have monitored by using this Kong API gateway, and in Prometheus also we can configure
okay,
by including some third-party tools like Promptail and Loki. So we will see the API logs.
mm-hmm. Okay, okay. Have you created any Kibana dashboards or Grafana dashboards on your own?
Yeah, yeah, I have created.
Okay, and have you migrated Kibana dashboard from to Grafana dashboards?
No, didn't get a chance to perform the migration of dashboards, but I have created the fresh dashboards in Kibana as well as Grafana as well.
Okay, can you give me some insights on that?
Okay, sure. See, we can like coming to this Prometheus and Grafana. Okay, how this Prometheus will works means it's a open source software. Okay, so it we will get all the metrics by using this node exporter. Okay, so but in Grafana it will show all the metrics, but it doesn't have capability to like a visualization kind of things like a dashboard. These are the things are not
Okay.
available in Prometheus. So that's the reason
Mm-hmm.
we are using Grafana. So once we install the Grafana, so then we need to set up the data source. Data source as a Prometheus by default. So once the data source will be configured, then we can create our own dashboards for CPU utilization, memory utilization, and if we have any Kubernetes cluster, so we can also monitor our Kubernetes workloads, like how many pods, namespaces, services, deployments, and worker nodes. All these things we can monitor. So coming to this Elasticsearch
Mm-hmm.
and Fluent Kibana, Elasticsearch
Mm-hmm.
it will actually like fetch the metrics. Okay, so whatever the metrics it will fetch, so the log stash will transfer the metrics to our Kibana.
Okay,
Yeah.
fine. So basically, see, my requirement was to migrate the dashboards of Kibana to Grafana and
Okay.
put the role-based access and everything.
Mhm.
So that is my primary requirement, and then managing the ELK stack also.
Okay, sure, definitely I can do. So, as of now, I didn't perform the migration. So, if I get a chance, so definitely I can perform the migration. So, if I don't know anything, so I will go through some blogs. So, I will do some R&D, then I can perform.
Okay. Do you have any experience in Lucene query?
Uh, no, we are using this PromSQL.
Yeah, that I agree because that is for Prometheus.
Yeah, yeah.
You might be using Kibana KQL also, Kibana query language, but I am asking about Lucene query, which Grafana supports for Elastic as a data source.
Okay, okay.
So, do you have any idea about that?
Uh, I don't have idea because I configured this Elasticsearch Kibana only 2 times for one of for my previous project,
Okay,
but
okay,
I didn't get a chance to focus on more things. I configured the Jobix as well.
okay. No problem, no problem. That's it from my side. Any questions from your side?
No, I don't have any questions.
Thank you, Malali. Have a great day.
Thank you. Thank you.